Chain rule in differentiation. Step number 1, you must remember all the basic formulae as per previous lecture. Differentiation of x raised to the power n into x raised to the power n minus 1, differentiation of x square 2x, differentiation of sin x cos x, differentiation of cos x minus sin x, differentiation of e raised power x remaining same e raised power x, differentiation of log x, that is 1 by x. You must remember these formulae. Now we can begin with chain rule in differentiation. For chain rule in differentiation, step number 1, recognize function of x. Step number 1, in the question you will be given some function of x. Step number 2, ordinary differentiation. I am telling you the process. Ordinary differentiation, like ordinary formula. Part 3, then we multiply by differentiation of function of x. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Now see, question number 1. You know this formula. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is ordinary differentiation, ordinary formula, basic formula. Now if the question is differentiate sin 5x, now focus. What is the difference between basic and this question? Then you will see x is variable, and in place of variable 5x is written. So whatever written in place of variable, this is called function of x. Step number 1. What is function of x? Whatever written in place of variable. वेरिएबल के प्लेस पर क्या लिखा है? See, x is variable and it is sin x, and in place of x in the question 5x is written. So this 5x called function of x. This is step 1. Breathe in. Then step 2, follow ordinary differentiation. Ordinary differentiation means, like you know, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Similarly, you will follow step number 2. Differentiation of sin 5x is cos 5x. Similar way. Differentiation of sin x, cos x. Differentiation of sin 5x, cos 5x. Now follow the step number 3. Multiply. So write here multiply. Now which thing should be multiplying? Differentiation dy dx of function of x. What is function of x? In this numerical 5x. So this is differentiation of function of x, which is 5x. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Now see it, then I am telling you another examples also. Sin 5x is cos 5x into, what is the differentiation of 5x? You know, as per previous class, differentiation of 5x is, x is variable, 5 is constant taken outside. Differentiation of x will be 1. So differentiation of 5x is 5. So your answer is 5 cos 5x for this question. Now breathe in again. If I say how to design questions on the basis of this, you know, if you write something other than x, which is depending upon x, that is called function of x. For example, you write nx, you write kx, you can write in place of x, x square, you can write root x, you can write anything which is depending upon x. So this is the way how we design numericals. See another question. dy dx of sine x square. So compare this x with this. What is written in place of x? Either this or that, anything may be written. Now what we are writing? X square. So x square is function of x. Step number 1. Recognize function of x, which is written in place of variable. In place of variable, x is variable. In place of x variable, x square is written. So x square is function of x. Then follow step number 2. Follow ordinary differentiation. Like differentiation of sin x cos x, differentiation of sin x square will be cos x square. Step number 3. Multiply. Differentiation of function of x. What is function of x in this numerical? Now it is x square. Now apply the formula. Differentiation of x square is 2x. So your answer will be 2x cos x square. Once again breathe in. Now see another question based on same. Differentiation sine root x. Again step number 1. What is function of x? It is root x written in place of x. This is function of x. Then after recognizing function of x, follow ordinary differentiation. Differentiation of sin x cos x. So differentiation of sine root x cos root x. Multiply. Step number 3. Differentiation dy dx of function of x. Now function of x is root x. So differentiate by root x. Now how to find this differentiation? You know, from this formula, this one, I am writing for you. Dy dx x raised power n is n x raised power n minus 1. So dy dx root x. Root x means x raised to the power 1 by 2. Focus. In place of n, 1 by 2 is written. So this is the question, x raised power n, x raised power 1 by 2. So this is the answer. In place of n, write 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x raised power 1 by 2 minus 1. So this will be 1 by 2 x raised power minus 1 by 2. Now simplify this 1 by 2 root x, because to make it positive it will be in the denominator. So you can write directly cos root x multiplied by 1 by 2 root x. This is the answer. You know this basic one. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Now see another examples. Now we are finding the formula on the basis of this. You know dy dx is e raised power x. Of e raised power x is e raised power x. Now in place of x, if we write sin x, x square, kx or anything, so that will be considered as function of x. See one question. Dy dx e raised power sin x. Breathe in. So this is our question. In place of x, whatever written, that is called function of x. In this question, sin x written in place of x. So sin x will be function of x. Step number 1. Step number 2. Follow ordinary differentiation. Like differentiation of e raised power x is e raised power x. Similarly, differentiation of e raised power sin x will be e raised power sin x. Multiply. Step number 3. By differentiation of function of x, and function of x is sin x, dy dx of sin x, e raised power sin x into, differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is the answer for this question. Once again breathe in. Now see the question based on formulae. You know this, dy dx of x raised power n is n x raised power n minus 1. Now see, in place of x, we are writing ax plus b. Focus this. Whole power n. What is the answer? This is question. So you recognized in place of x, this is written ax plus b. So this called function of x. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Step number 2, follow ordinary differentiation. Focus like differentiation of x raised to the power n equals n x raised power n minus 1. So follow for this. Same formula follow for this. Second, n ax plus b whole power n minus 1 into step number 3, multiply by differentiation of function of x. What is function of x? Ax plus b. So this is ax plus b. So your answer will be n ax plus b n minus 1. Now differentiate this. You know this basic differentiation, I am writing it directly. X is variable, so a taken outside. Differentiation of x will be 1 plus b is constant. Differentiation of constant, okay, I am following 2 steps. D by dx of ax plus d by dx of b. See, x is variable, a is constant, take it outside. Differentiation of x with respect to x 1 plus b is constant, x is variable, so constant is 0. So it is only a. So we write it a into n ax plus b whole power n minus 1. Once again breathe in. You know this question, x square d by dx of x square is 2x. Focus 100%. Now the question is d by dx sin x whole square. You know how you write sin x whole square? This will be given like this. Sin square x. See the difference. Sin square x. This question means our question is d by dx sin x whole square. Focus this. Sin square x means sin x whole power 2. Now compare with basic formula of differentiation. Step number 1. What is written in place of x? Sin x. So sin x is function of x. Step number 2. Follow ordinary differentiation. Breathe in. Like differentiation of x square is 2x. Similarly, differentiation of sin x whole square will be 2 sin x. Follow step number 3. Multiply d by dx of function of x. Function of x is sin x. So d by dx of sin x. So 2 sin x and differentiation of sin x is cos x. You know this trigonometric identity. You may write it like this. 2 sin x cos x, or it can be written as sin 2x. Trigonometric formula. Once again breathe in. You know this formula, differentiation of root x, differentiation of x raised power 1 by 2. You apply this formula. See, d by dx of x raised power n x raised power n minus 1. What is written in place of n? 1 by 2. So follow this. 1 by 2, x raised power 1 by 2 minus 1. This is how to solve root x. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Now our question is d by dx of root sin x. So first of all recognize what is function of x. What is written in place of x? See, root power, this is root power. X replaced by sin x. So sin x is function of x. This is step number 1. Focus, this is most important question. Now it can be written like this, d by dx of sin x raised power 1 by 2. Now follow step number 2, ordinary differentiation. Like this formula followed for this x raised power 1 by 2. Same formula obeyed by this. How? See, we will write it like this. Half sin x whole power 1 by 2 minus 1. Now this was ordinary. So this is ordinary. But you will have to follow step 3. Multiply by differentiation of function of x. What is function of x? Sin x. So you will have to differentiate sin x here. So it will be half of sin x raised power minus 1 by 2, and differentiation of sin x, you know, it is cos x. Now you can simplify this. Half of cos x, move it in the denominator, sin x raised power plus 1 by 2. So it can be written as root sin x. Got it?